right here in the city of UYO. I promised you that sometime this year, we will be bringing you a masterpiece estate, one of a kind, something different in this beautiful city of UYO. I am happy that today we introduce you to the food we have been cooking for months, to the masterpiece of an estate called California Heights Estate, right here in UYO local government on Ring Road 4 in the city of UYO. I promised you that in the nearest future, many cities in Nigeria will have at least one California Heights Estate. And now it is a turn of the beautiful city, the promised land itself, the city of UYO, to have this masterpiece property. I mean, if you look at my background and look at the neighborhood and look at this environment, you will see a very, very masterpiece property already in construction. California Heights UYO is a beauty of its kind. If you look around, you find that this is an already made estate. Everything here is ready, from the road network to the perimeter fencing to the gatehouse. In fact, I cannot have a plot demarcation. Just look around, plot demarcations are there with the plot numbers. This is a buy, build and move in environment. You can live here anytime you like, and this is what we are bringing you in this city. And I tell you what, we are just starting. This is just the beginning. What we are building here will become one of the landmarks of this city of UYO. California Heights is at its core a masterpiece estate, meant for kings and queens, something exclusive for the people who want to live in affluence, I mean in luxury. This place is where you need to be. This estate is selling for a small price, despite everything we are doing. The layout is registered. The certificate of deposit is ready. Go to the land ministry yourself to confirm them. Everything, the layout is approved. The document is C of D. Register the land ministry to P1 Regal Properties. Go and confirm, and you will see that everything is set here. I mean, if you are not buying here, I don't know what you want to buy.
And this estate promises you beautiful world-class amenities. Amenities like playground, the green area, swimming pool, and many others.
And guess what? It is directly facing the proposed Ring Road 4 that leads straight to University of UYO and the Icon Hotel. I mean, this is the place you want to live, all around road. Are you talking about the National Stadium?
Annual Hospital, the Timber Market.
You are just in the middle, and for a few minutes, you are everywhere you need to go to. And guess what? The airport is just off this estate,
giving you easy access to major landmarks.
Don't miss out. An estate that is well situated, a prime property that has the best title in this city. That is everything you need to buy it at a cheap promo price.
Our state-of-the-art gatehouse and premium fencing are already up, ensuring your safety and security.
This is California Heights Estate by Akwabata, right here in the city of UYO.
My name is Joseph Ododa Umareyo. I feel happy because the way the P1 Regal do it is different.
And this is pure Regal standard. Going forward, even all the estates that are coming up here, this is what you should expect. We thank you for trusting us, and we promise you that everything you want in this estate, you will get it. We'll provide you all the support that we need. I want to officially declare the California Heights Estate UYO open. I do this declaration in the name of Almighty God.
This is the heart of UYO, if I'm to tell you. Subscribe now.
Hurry up now and take a plot, take 2 plots, buy for yourself, buy for your family, and you will never regret it. Welcome once again to California Heights UYO.